Welcome back. We are joined with Jasmine Kyle, or not joined with her. We're joined by Jasmine Kyle, director of the SEK Humane Society. This is Betty. Tell us a little bit about Betty, because she's just so precious. Hi, Betty.
Yeah, so this is Betty. Betty is an 8-year-old lab mix, and as you can see, she is sweet as sugar and honey. Betty, unfortunately, has been in our facility for a much longer period of time since of her age. A lot of people, unfortunately, will pass up senior dogs, and as you can see, she does not act like 8 years old.
No.
She honestly acts like she's 2. She has a lot of energy, loves to be outside. She's even been on several school educational trips as well. She does great with people. She is just looking for a home with no other animals. Thank you very much. She knows how to sit and shake on command as well. Thank you very much. She's very much more into, she's food motivated, but most importantly, she seeks human companionship. She is sponsored too on top of that. She has no adoption fee.
That's fantastic.
She's spayed, she's microchipped, and she's up to date on all of her vaccinations. She will go into foster care for about a week with whoever is interested in her, and then after a week, we'll finalize adoption.
See, why not take Betty home? I mean, look at her. Oh, hi. Hello, Betty. You're as big as I am.
Right.
You are as big as I am, aren't you?
And she'll sleep on the couch with you. Don't get me wrong. She will absolutely sleep on the couch with you. And that's the one thing with adult dogs, right? I know we're getting to puppy and kitten season, but with an adult dog, especially seniors, they've gone through the ropes. You don't have to worry about puppy teething or potty training.
Right.
This dog in particular has worked with multiple families, multiple school functions. She knows the ropes. She just needs somebody to give her a chance and show them that she will be their forever companion.
And I'm telling you, I think by the end of our show, somebody's going to want to take home Betty, because, I mean, I can't get over how precious she is. And as you already know, my youngest is here, and she's done great with him, and he's done great with her. So that's, I mean, if you're looking for a great puppy, I call them puppies. She's a puppy.
Yeah.
She'll always be a puppy, no matter what. And Jasmine, I understand too, you've got another event coming up, something called Egg My Yard. What's that all about?
Yes, sir. So yeah, that is our Easter egg fundraiser event, where early Easter morning from 7 to 8, we, myself and a few volunteers, we go out and we hide eggs as a fundraiser to the SEK Humane Society. All the eggs are pre-filled, of course. We even work with food allergies as well. We're just delivering to Pittsburgh and Frontenac areas. 25 eggs for $25 or 40 or 50 eggs for 40. I only have 10 spots left for this event. We'll be posting that on our Facebook page today. It has my contact information, but if you would like to be a part of this event, please contact us because spots are filling up fast. We originally had a deadline of April 9th, but it looks like we're going to be completely full by the end of this month, which is amazing. We love that.
I was going to say, I mean, what does that tell you about the community support for the Humane Society?
We love it. And especially, this was a kind of a new one for us to do. When we first started this, we were like, we'll do maybe a few hundred eggs. And then we got to 1,000 really, really quickly. So it's something that not only is a fundraiser for us, but this is how we can also interact with our community directly in a really new, fun and interactive way. Because some of the comments, of course, at any animal shelter that we'll get is it's too hard to come out sometimes, and we absolutely understand that. So supporting us by this fun fundraiser or doing a bake sale with us, that is so huge. So don't ever think that there's not something you can't do for a nonprofit, because we're creative.
I know a few weekends ago you all had the chili feed.
Yes.
And when I learned at first how long that had been going on and just how much money that manages to raise, I mean, it's incredible how the Pittsburgh community supports the SEK Humane Society. And it's not just Pittsburgh. It seems to be the entire region really comes out and supports you guys.
We're very blessed, and so are our animals. And especially now, hopefully, knock on wood, everything looks to be going in a much better direction for 2022. We are super excited with some new changes that we're going to be bringing to the future to the public and some new activities. So we cannot wait to bring back our fundraisers, especially like Bark in the Park and our outdoor ones, so we can see everybody again. Because not only do our animals miss it, our staff miss seeing people too.
Oh, I know, and the pandemic's really taken its toll, especially on nonprofits. So being able to get back out there and get to fundraising again has got to be exciting and challenging. At the same time, you've had this little break, so.
Absolutely.
Well, Jasmine, thank you so much. Again, this is Betty. As Jasmine mentioned, she is sponsored, which means no adoption fee. She is ready to go home right now.
Yeah.
She may be 8 years old, but like Jasmine says, she's what? She acts like she's 2. She is full of energy. And of course, do not forget Egg My Yard coming up as well. An excellent fundraiser for the Humane Society. Well, Jasmine, thank you so much for stopping by.
you,
Betty,
Chris.
thank you for stopping by. Yes, thank you. We have got a lot more news coming your way right after this.